in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. So it's very easy and straightforward. So let's get started. First, go to Instagram and then click on this plus icon at the top left. And then you can see here, normally you would see post and then you would see story. If you scroll to the right, you will see the live option. Click on live, and then you can see here, you can choose to be live where anyone can see your live or only friends. There's also a practice where you can choose to just practice your first live ever. So I'm going to pick everyone, and then once you press this button, you're going to go live. Now keep in mind you need at least 1,000 followers to be live on Instagram. This is a new requirement, they have changed it. So if you have 1,000 subscribers, you can just click the button and then you will be able to go live on Instagram. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.